Yeah, it's been a really good journey as far as started last October with kids coming in, and then we expanded that this year to 30 coming in for training camp, cut that down to 16 on Sunday, and then we cut it down to our 12 traveling on Monday morning. It's been a great time with our kids. I think they've really bought into what we want to do. They're a good group to work with. We got a lot of size, we got a lot of quickness and speed. So we're looking for nothing but less than the gold medal to bring back. I think we really looked at the defensive end. The players can play defense, and then we looked at how they mesh with each other. I think it's really important when you build a team. You don't have 12 individuals out here, but you have 12 guys who are going to buy into the team aspect and use their talents to make everybody else better. Because I think USA Basketball has evolved into more of a team game than putting just a bunch of individuals together. And I think USA Basketball's philosophy has changed a little bit over the years from the fact that we're trying to build teams as opposed to just putting 12 guys together who are really good. And so that team aspect, I think, has shown up in our U16s and U17s, and we certainly hope that continues when we're in Uruguay.